Another day, another embarrassment. We'll never be popular.
Forever the butt of every joke. I think I found something interesting. Wanna learn more about 1, 2, 3 Go trends? Let's subscribe!
Please don't hurt!
I think it totally worked! Wow, your hair! Don't need these anymore.
Let's take these for a test drive.
Watch out, world. We're popular now.
We're new and improved.
Well, almost. Wow, this place is really poppin'.
A perfect way to start the weekend, right?
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, say no more. I got this.
Okay.
What's up, bro? Too many cheesecakes? Just put it on the card, yo. Not accepted here. What about this? Bingo! Thanks. Dessert's here. And I got your favorite flavor. Grace?
Huh? Oh, hey. What are you doing?
Oh. My bad. Well, since I'm here now.
I can't believe Jake ditched me! Ugh! I won't have it. This is not acceptable. I've gotta make myself stand out. Yep. Keep going. All the way. Now's where the real magic happens. Double knot it to keep it strong. Then tuck in the top like this. And roll it over the shoulders. Tuck the sleeves up if they're long. How cute is this top now, right? It's giving major fashionista vibes. Jake? Still busy, I see. I'll just wait until you notice.
Grace? Is that…
You'll catch flies that way. Wait. What about me? I hate my clothes. I bet I could do that too.
Huh? Whoa.
Yep, I tend to have that effect.
What do you say about a free latte?
Well, time to hit the hay, Teddy. We have a big day ahead of us.
Hey!
What's happening?
Get it?
Rock on! Uh-huh!
Woohoo!
Very good! You've been practicing, huh? A free rock show in my room! Just look at that fancy finger work! Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's melt some faces!
Yeah, rock on!
Whoa! All the gummy bears!
Oh, guess they're on the floor now. I can't waste the blue ones.
Stacy! No!
What?
Wait, don't get upset.
But my candy! This is so unfair!
Now I feel bad. Yeah!
See this silicone ring? Place the gummy bears inside the slit. All the way around. Once that's all done, pour some liquid gel over it all. Don't go too fast now. You want to get all of the bears. And once it's all finished, you'll have a cool bracelet.
Rock and roll, baby!
Huh? For me?
Give me your wrist. Now you can always have your teddies.
Cool! Woohoo! Thanks, bro!
Give me some love.
Cool! One more thing.
What?
I have this awesome shirt to match!
For me? Yeah!
Looking good, bro! It takes a real man to wear pink! Hey! I'm here for my training session!
In that… Unacceptable. Go change!
Change? Oh, but this is all I've got.
Ugh. Read!
Huh? Oh, I can wear sportswear? BRB!
I love this thing.
All set!
Do you see ice around here?
You said sportswear!
Feel the burn.
Is this better?
No! No!
Ugh.
This girl is unbelievable. Phew! What now?
Yeah?
I don't get paid enough for this.
How about now?
No!
Seriously? Oh yeah, get groovin'.
Well, no.
How about now?
I'm losing it. Stay calm. Are you not understanding me?
You don't need to yell. What am I supposed to do now? Lost and found? Seems promising. But is any of this even useful? No. Come on. Now we're talking! Just have a few slight changes to make. Take your scissors and start cutting upward like this. Stop right there. Then flip them over. And spread the slit open here. And that's all there is to it. Amazing! Sportswear, baby! Whoa, that's cute. Oh, I made it myself. I like your style. Thanks, girl. Oh, gotta go. I'm ready. You're speechless, huh? I don't blame you.
Now let's work out. 1, 2. Huh?
Already? We barely started! Ah!
Hi there. Me, Gina.
Wow, hi. I'm so nervous.
And now say hello to Grace.
Why, hello there.
Are you ready to vote? Whose look is better? Comment below.
Wish you could be popular? What would you wear to make that happen? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.